Hello, Pepper in the Woods here. I got a new product. Can you zoom in on that? Thank you. Right, so I got a new product. It's called S.E.R.E Strips, genuine military issue Tinder. Lights with a spark, US military NATO issued, waterproof and wind resistant, 3 to 4 minute burn time per strip, no odors, oils, dyes or mess, non-toxic, indefinite shelf life, fires up to 30, lubricates weapon parts, zippers, boils water when strips are rolled. There you are. Now, never used it before, so I'm going to have a little opening now. It says, what do you call it? Special cotton. So I like to see what that is. But let's open the pack up now and we'll have a look. Right, so let's open it and see what we got. We got your cotton here. Special cotton. We got your S.E.R.E strips here, which are quite... They feel a bit thick and waxy. Yeah, it's like wax sheets of paper. You do get a few of them. And then you also get some instructions here. Which are for non-messy, I don't know. But yeah, so you get those there. And some more on the back. So I'll have a read of that later. Right, so I got this off RJ Bushcraft. All I'm trying to do is start a little fire here for my Kelly kettle, just to get a fire going, so boil some water. Now I ripped it, and if you can see there's strands going across there. Probably won't pick it up, but it's going to rip this up a bit more. There we go. So, ripping up a little bit more. Gonna see if this takes a spark. Yep, that works. So take that. I'm just gonna put it in there for now. That was quite quick too. There you go. Got that going now. So yeah, only a few strikes. That worked pretty well, and I still have loads of these left. Because they're flat packed, these would be quite handy in maybe Altoid tins or something like that, where you can just stack them flat and you have loads of tinder there, so that's good. Cotton balls, looks like normal cotton to me, so I don't think special about that. I got this in one of my RJ Bushcraft boxes, so I'm happy with that. Got my water boiling now using my RJ Bushcraft Tinder, which was also in the box. So I'm going to sort that out now. So now I get to have a little bit of cup of coffee. Never had that one before, so I'm going to try that one as well. Thanks guys for watching. So if you come across that, pick them up. Quite handy to keep. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.